So we heard something good and something bad about these real estate websites, right? As with everything, everything has positives and negatives. Nothing's perfect in this world. But people watching, if they're coming to terms now and say, okay, I get it what those two are saying, buying a random property just from the internet is probably not the way to go. Vanesa, what's the alternative? Where do people find properties then?
Right, that's tricky sometimes. I would always suggest maintain your network, right? Source of influence, I always say. Get together with people who know about the market, the real estate market, like real estate agents, appraisals, property managers, banks, right? Get to know these people, talk to them about that, right? Be open also to talk to people who already invested into real estate, because this will help you understand everything better. And it will not help you to talk to people and listen to people who never done it, right? This is a very important thing, because sometimes we listen to people, but they actually never did it. Not really in real estate, but in many more things, as you can also.
And they have always the greatest tips.
Exactly, and then they come up and say, oh, my friend said that, oh, my uncle, my mother, my father. I mean, it's good to get other opinions, but get these opinions from the right people, very important. And also by partnering with me, I mean, you will receive a personalized one-on-one assessment, right? Also a solution for your needs and for your situation. This is very important, because it doesn't make sense for me really to offer anything to my clients that doesn't make sense. So it's very important to check before even the financial status or situation. Also, I would say also the mindset and everything. So everything should be personalized and really look after the needs and the situation. And you're having someone who's being with you along the process, which is very important. So imagine having someone by your side, especially in this type of process, because purchasing a property in Germany is quite a longer process, I would say, but it's very secure. Like, again, Germany is a very secure country, and purchasing a property is super secure as well. So having someone by your side makes it even better. You have more comfort, right? So.
Because it's a big decision, right? It's probably the biggest decision that you do ever in your entire life. It's a decision worth hundreds of thousands of euros.
Exactly. I mean, many people are investing in other things as well, but purchasing a property needs knowledge, needs experts, and having someone by your side, it just makes it easier for our clients. And they're happy. I mean, you can confirm that. They're really happy having someone on the hand and supporting them along the way.